Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WFT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that the price has made a very nice move, and when you consider where the price was not that long ago down at these lows, and all of a sudden you look at where the price is up at the close of Friday, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 54-cent mark. Why is 54 cents important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 54 cents. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that big old range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price were to pull back here and then behave in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am just defining and quantifying that phrase, progress, once more, as 54 cents. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out, pretty straightforward right now. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that a few days ago, the price got right up around that area at, give or take, 57.5 cents. And you can see that today, once again, price didn't quite hit it, but I think we'd all agree got well within the price congestion area of where it's been rejected from before. So definitely 57.5 will be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Nice movement today on the bulls part. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum next week? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.